Whoa, why are there a lot of red and blues and not other colors like green and purple and pink?
Yeah.
Green and pink are awesome too.
Where'd orange go too?
Yeah, I know. Whoa, it's a special thing. Should probably hit it. You got it. You got the Abe Lincoln coin.
Is that supposed to be good?
I don't know. Let's just pretend it's good.
That's not even Abe.
Oh, it's some weird woman.
Girl. It's a fat girl.
Oh yeah.
Also, that should be Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah.
That's Queen Elizabeth.
Yep. The second.
Die, you fatties.
Oh, who's that? Oh, wow.
Oh, that's pretty friendly.
That's a kid-friendly show. It's called The Chrysanthemum Whacks His Tummy while doing a dance and dying.
Yep.
And flopping around like a dead fish. Wow, what is that hippogriff? It's the weird hippogriff that lives in the ground and eats pies and thinks that President Obama is the best in the world. Oh! It can suck through walls! It has a god power. Okay, good, it's dead. It didn't have the invincible power yet. It's only a level 2 wizard.
What level does it need to be at invincibility?
Probably level 5,801.
Why are you just whacking yourself randomly when there's no Pikmin there?
It's the new kid-friendly show, remember?
No.
Well, it is.
Oh, okay, is that good?
Uh-oh, that didn't sound yummy. Oh, he was whacked again.
Oh, he whacked his butt. This time he whacked his... This time he whacked his wiener.
Oh, wow. No, that wasn't very appropriate for little kids like the age of 2.
But I'm 2.
Oh, then it's not appropriate.
Why did I say it?
Because you're dumb.
I am?
And you don't know about pie and how good it is in life.
Well, you know what's the best?
Pie?
Wieners.
Wieners?
Wieners.
Dude, wait, the hot dogs, right? As in you eat them?
Yep.
That's what I thought too. I like eating them.
And
Very yummy. Oh no! They're eating the kid-friendly star of the reality show. Oh, now he's mad. What's his name? Chuckles?
Chuckles.
Chuckles the chunk.
Yep.
Oh, you just squished Chuckles' little assistant dude.
What's his name? Chuckles Jr.?
No, Chuckles the assistant dude.
But
Wow.
Chuckles Jr. would be more appropriate.
Probably not. Chuckles shook his fat tummy.
You know why Chuckles is so fat?
Because he eats...
Kellogg's Plus bars.
Oh yeah, Kellogg's Fresh Plus bars. They're fresh, which makes it a whole lot of better.
Yeah,
Good job, guys.
Now,
Good
so
job. Well, I bet Chuckles is gonna die by those awesomes. Hey, he died by those awesomes.
Now, where is the stupid key?
It's probably behind over there.
Behind over there? That
Yeah.
makes total sense.
Uh-oh, he's guarded by another Chuckles.
You think I care? Yes, I do.
Probably.
Yeah, I do, because I do. Go, go, go! Secret
Go.
spy agent!
Carry it back. Chuckles must die.
Die, Chuckles!
Oh, watch out for that little lychee.
Ouch! My butt.
Like him. That purple one. Uh-oh,
Die.
Chuckles ate someone.
Chuckles, how dare you? I'll have to squeeze you now.
Squeeze him?
Yes.
That doesn't sound very good.
Well, it is. I have to squeeze him in the butt.
Okay,
Well,
oh, did you hear about Queen Elizabeth II?
We're trying to find, not the hole.
She dug up the world's largest buns.
I'm not trying to find the hole, I'm trying to find the butthole.
You shouldn't probably say that for kids the age of 2 again.
But I'm 2.
Hey, it's the hole. You should probably hurry because you have 30 seconds until you self-destruct randomly.
That sounds nice.
Uh-huh.
In some
So you should probably hurry up.
That's nice in some cultures, did you know that?
But you won't self-destruct unless you go in the hole, which is a good thing, I think.
Holes for holes.
It's back there. There's the hole. Okay. Die.
Yeah, die. You know what die means? It means die.
Oh yeah. And jump means to jump.
No.
Oh, means to climb.
Oh.
What does it mean?
Fart.
Oh, the other alternative jump. Okay.
10 seconds? Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, now 120.
Oh, it's the weird bird that lives in the ground and eats a lot of pie and jumps in heads.
In heads?
Yeah, he jumps in people's heads and takes over their minds. Hey, no attacking the nice Snagger dude. They should attack the tummy stuff. Or his footy. He only has one footy. Oh, wow.
Louie, let's just watch from a very far away angle. That's good.
Hey, look it. They're doing awesome. See, look at how skilled they are at the art of killing a big bird.
Oopsie.
It's kind of hard to see from this angle. Maybe you should go closer. Good idea. Whoa! We should probably get them under control now.
Yay! I can so do this.
He's throwing them all over, and he's awesome. Look at that skill that he possesses.
Come on, dudes. We need to kill what? The heck? What the heck?
He just ate some random guy.
Yeah, I know. I mean, he just popped up at some random place and I couldn't even see him.
Why would he pop up at a random place?
Because he's a jerk. Now just kill him. These
Okay.
dudes will attack. Awesome.
Good. Whoa! He appeared in a randomly position.
Again.
What? He's mobile? No! The little blue guy. Whoa, now that's pretty disturbing. He drinks Danonino.
Good for idiots. At the age of 2. What the heck? You're such a wussy baby.
He is.
We can kill him now, because I have the best army ever. And this is the best strategy ever. Check me out. What the heck?
Why you just dive in like a wuss?
Because he's a wuss.
Oh yeah.
Aren't I beast?
Well, it's kind of hard for him to eat 49 pickies. You know what I mean?
No.
It'll take him a while to do that. 2 seconds later. Wow, he eats fast. Now he's enjoying his meal and eating them slower. Well, Omar needs to digest his food because he's very chewy and not very enjoyable like that, you know?
No.
Yeah, I don't either. Well, I'm sure he can not win this battle. Uh-oh, he only has 3 left and 9 seconds remain. No! Hey! He has a stretchy neck! How did he stretch that far and kill them? Well, he's a cheater, and I don't like cheaters.